So we had the news, so I disabled the strategy. So we're break even, minus 100 and 100. So okay, we're gonna continue enabling. News is over. You see all this craziness here. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop here. 700. Disabled markers. Okay, so that's it guys. So like I said, let's see, well, I started in the morning. I didn't know there was gonna be news, and when I checked the calendar, there was gonna be news in a couple of minutes, so I disabled everything. So okay, so I was long here, was a winner, the first one. This is a momentum line scalper. Then we got short, and the market went in my favor with the momentum. So it decided to stop me out exactly here, and then reversed and continued with the trend. So it is what it is, guys. So it's unfortunate. Then we made another scalper. This was from a scalper. It got a 150. Then it stopped me out here in the scalper again.
Long
so
signal
I
NQ.
didn't know it was new, so I disabled everything. So I just waited to the news to be digested. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching.